Dude, this thing is starting to look so freaking cool. Oh my God. It's almost a car. It's almost a Cargan.
It's close. Hold on.
What are you? Oh.
I can't do it on my own.
That was weird. So today we are moving on to the next major piece of the puzzle, and today we are getting the intercooler piping fabbed up.
But by someone who knows what they're doing.
all right. So I have the intercooler pipe, I have the intercooler mocked up, I got the manifolds, everything mocked up, and now it is time to get all this pipe I ordered, all these couplers, clamps, everything cut up.
Lay all this pipe.
So get it all fabbed and welded up, and we're bringing it to our buddy John Little at Little Racing Innovation. And Johnny boy happens to be across the parking lot, so we gotta push this thing.
I'll push it outside, but I'm gonna pull it there with the mini truck.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm not feeling strong today.
It is freezing.
Yeah. Can you go start it and put the heat on, please?
Oh, this thing's so cool. Seeing it on the ground, it just looks so cool. I need all of this. Here. All right, we're pushing it. The e-brake's up.
Oh man. I got it.
You got it?
Steer.
Let the record show that RJ told me just to sit in it. It's nice. First drive with the RB25 in it. He's gonna get stuck right here.
I'm out. I'm out of gas.
You're out of gas?
Oh dude, my legs hurt so bad.
Hop in. It's more to the left.
Cool.
What do you think, Johnny?
It's a race car.
You're calling it a race car? Have you seen you?
Yeah. I mean, all we do is build race cars.
All right, so what do we got? I ordered a bunch of couplers. We kind of planned this out pretty good last week, right?
I'd say so.
So I hope we have everything, all the clams, couplers, and everything, and Johnny got the raw materials right here. So with all these bends, all of this, and a couple hole saws, we should have something pretty good, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm not gonna really bug him with the camera. I'm gonna let him just kind of do his thing. So we'll probably come in and do some B-roll clips here and there, but for now, Johnny, do your thing, buddy.
All right. Thanks, sir.
Any of you guys to think that I'm cheating on Morfab. As you guys know, Morfab has been helping us out since like the beginning. He's always been so good to us. And well, we have a large friend group of fabricators around here, right? We are all friends. You guys know the Stay Gold Performance. We had help us with the Civic stuff. They are hilarious. I love those guys. And now it's time to work with our buddy Johnny Little. Now Justin's been insanely busy doing like Jeep frame restorations. Like every Jeep in America, I think, has come to this guy at this point. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, check out his channel below. It's pretty freaking cool. But I've been begging John to take in one of my cars for the longest time. He is so freaking talented. He's actually Derek's like childhood best friend, which is awesome, and he's local to us, so he's one of our good friends. And now it is time to see what he could do with just some intercooler piping. He's gonna kill it. So it's nice to know it is in great hands. So I'm gonna stop talking because I'm rambling at this point, and let's see what Johnny Little could do. Johnny, you were supposed to call me when you cut the hole in my car.
Whoopsies.
That's a big moment.
Oh well.
No panic.
We got 2 to go.
Two to go? Or just
2 total, I'm sorry.
Oh, 2 total. Okay, yeah, we have one more going over here, but this is the first pipe getting mocked up, and dude, so far, I love it. Look how tight it is. Like, I really like how you like really kept the piping to a minimal.
Tight like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger, because you know, like most kits, right, Sam? That they like.
It looks like a water park.
It looks like a water park. Exactly. So keeping it tight like this just makes it look like very high end. So keep it up.
That's what I do.
There you go. All right, come bother you in like another hour.
Okay.
Bye.
A few moments later. The next day.
So I'm getting to the shop a little bit later than I wanted. Had some things pop up this morning, but I know John's been working for a couple hours now today, so I'm excited to see what he got done.
There goes Jimmy turning down my music again.
No, this is great. This looks like I'm doing a documentary interview. Tell me some of your secrets.
My secrets?
Yeah.
I hate aluminum.
That's it?
I have 2 cats at home.
Okay.
What's their
Okay.
names?
Marco and Lily.
That's
Cute.
very cat name sounding. I like
Are they
that.
fluffy or skinny?
Marco is a big fur ball. He's
Love
a
that.
long-haired orange cat.
Oh, beautiful, my favorite.
And then Lily is a calico. And she's scared of
Okay,
everything.
I like that.
Okay, now give me like a welding tip and trick for the viewers here.
Make sure, especially when you're welding aluminum, make sure everything is clean. Your filler rod, the materials prepped properly inside and out.
You take an extra shower today?
I don't shower.
Okay, so I thought everything was supposed to be.
Wow.
The material's clean, but I'm not.
Okay, yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Well, there you guys go. Tips and tricks with Johnny Shits.
All right, let's go.
So we got the whole passenger side done?
Yes, sir.
By we, I mean you. Oh, that looks so good.
We gotta make a little bracket. Stiffen it up a little bit.
That looks so awesome. I'll put the brake right there so we can actually take the thing out. Smart move. Dude, that looks absolutely beautiful. Nice work, buddy. Marco or Lily?
That's
This is Marco, come
Oh,
on.
that's the Marco?
Yeah, he's in a box about 3 times too small for him.
Yeah, that sounds like Jimmy's kitty.
Here's him eating yogurt in slow-mo. We have our morning yogurts every morning. It's the weirdest noise.
Look at this guy.
Oh, look at us.
Look at us.
And your skinny jeans right.
Yeah, skinny jeans. Look at us.
Little bung for the intake air temperature sensor right there. Gotta have that.
It's a nice bunghole you got there, Jimmy.
Thanks, Johnny. I completely missed this process, but this tool right here dimples the pipe so the coupler doesn't slip off. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
That makes it, that really seals the deal on it. What do you think, Derek?
I mean, John's doing what John does, and it looks amazing, but it's just, you know, going on a 200 horsepower car, so that's not that cool.
Why do we need enemies when we got friends like that?
Yeah, right? Look at this guy.
John, I talked nicely about you,
You do.
so
Such
take it
a-
back.
I was talking about Jimmy.
Yeah.
Such a hater. All right, so last piece of the puzzle. Johnny's gonna make a little mounting tab right here so the intake isn't just like,
Flopping around.
and we have
We
a
have that.
dirty little hole here, so we're gonna cover it. Mm-hmm. All right, Johnny, do you.
Okay.
Nice job.
Nice work, John.
Holy gaps, dude.
That looks so good. Wow, that is a really nice bead.
It's alright. I mean, it ain't all that.
Yeah. Don't want to gas them up too much. No. We got to keep everyone humble around here, you know?
Yeah. You gotta chop them down a little bit.
Boom.
Not bad.
That's all she wrote?
Yes, sir. Now get it out of here.
Get it out of here. You heard him.
Go get.
It is a different level of cold today. The guys are gonna be pissed at me. Look at that. You guys ready to push a car?
Yeah, there's nothing I'd rather do.
All three of you, bitches, come over here.
What? DJ, stop asking questions.
Damn, it is cold out.
Dude, it is cool.
RJ got his fucking mittens on.
These are gloves, Donald. Oh, Ian!
What just happened? Look at it. Oh my god. Go, the heat is on.
RJ. This ain't bad. DJ. Look at him. Stick your damn hands in there. What? Back it in.
Feel that? Oh, you're good.
I'd say that was fun, but it wasn't.
Thank you guys. I love you all.
Really opened your socket.
All right, so the car is back and John absolutely killed it. I love the way this all fits. It's not, you know, like you get some intercooler piping and you gotta like shove it in at an angle and it's kind of weird.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, this fits perfectly centered on the holes. All the couplers fit like a glove, and honestly, I really like how he had a really sleek format to it. It's not like these crazy big bows of shape, and the intake alone, I mean, this is just such a nice piece. So very impressed. Johnny Little Innovations killed it, and well, as you guys can see, this pipe is a little bit more industrial looking than the average just polished pipe, right? A lot of guys like using the raw stuff like this because it's a little bit thicker, it's a little bit better quality, to be honest, and it's a little bit cheaper. So the only downfall is it's not polished. I don't really care for the polished look. We could always go through and spend the time and polish this, but what I want to do is take it all out, and I want to kind of Scotch-Brite all of it because it gives it a more uniform, cleaner look. Even though it isn't polished, I think it will look amazing. So let's take all this piping back out, give it a good Scotch-Briting with everyone here, put it back in, and we should be good to go. Before I put the intercooler piping back in, since we drilled a hole, there's bare metal, and obviously you have to address that or else you'll get rust eventually. So I just kind of have like a little bit of primer I sprayed into a cup, and we're just gonna dab it on the edges where the bare metal is, and we're gonna cover this with some trim to make it look nice. But bare metal is not good because this will rust
And spread.
and spread. So we're gonna take this door seal trim, which is literally, people put this, you guys have seen this before, on the edge of their doors. You could see it used to be on there. It was a big thing back in the 90s. So we can kind of just slip it over. And if you don't have this, you can kind of get like a vacuum hose too and just cut it in half. So you just kind of walk it on. Look at that. Now it looks like an OEM hole. You can't beat that. Just
No,
a
it's actually
couple cents worth of trim and it looks really nice. Boom. Just like that. Doesn't that look awesome?
Yeah.
It's like one of those really cheap tricks that just does so much for
Yeah,
the
how would
car.
you even-
Cool, now let's dig through that bin, get a bunch of T-bolt clamps and start clamping this all together.
Nice job.
So this looks absolutely amazing with all the clamps on it. Disregard those two, they're pretty ugly. But I'm missing the clamp for this. No worries, that looks good. But having it all clamped up makes it look beautiful. I am so beyond happy with this kit. This really brings the whole thing together. And it looks amazing. So last thing I want to do before we end it for today is I want to fit the bumper and see how it looks with the bumper and everything. So let's go grab that. All right, so I mocked the front end up just to get an idea of it, and it looks so freaking cool. You probably can't tell on video, but just nice kind of seeing the piping through there. It's so, this bumper accepts a front mount intercooler so well. Like it looks like it was literally made for it. Like you can't beat that. Really, really nice to kind of see the headlights and everything back in, and the piping, it just makes the bay look more badass. What's the term? I don't know. It just looks so freaking cool. Like look how good that looks. It's so weird because like I'm so used to just seeing this derpy ass RB20E in this thing, and now seeing this RB25 drivetrain in here almost looking complete. Like the whole car itself just seems, it's freaking cool. I really like this. Like I think this is super dope, and it I don't know, I mean it just looks more badass. It's like the easiest way to say it.
Just pop it open.
It's just, this is a whole different car now. Like it sucks because this car is just like a GT model, right? But the only thing that won't be GTST about this is the cluster at this point. And so like a part of me wants to call it GTST, but I think we decided I'm gonna call it a GT plus T.
GT plus T.
GT plus T.
It rolls off the tongue really nice.
Right? GTST, GT plus T. If I say it fast enough, they'll be like, wait, did he mean GTST? Like, yeah, totally.
Someone would say it, right?
GT plus T. So I don't know, I love this. I know I keep talking about it, but just this, the whole car just has like a whole different aura to it now. And man, I want to just drive with the hood off. Like, I kind of like how nothing's really flashy. It all kind of has like the right look to it. It all blends really well. The piping came out absolutely amazing. John killed it. It looks so fluent and just so fitting.
Yeah. It looks like it was meant to be like this. OEM Plus right here.
From like the intake to everything. So I am so happy. We still have the fluids. I need the drive shaft in it. Needs a slave cylinder, shifter, wiring, tuning, all that stuff, Mac valve, still gotta do a fan control. We got a lot to do. I mean, right? It's an engine swap. No matter, even if it's OEM, engine swaps are still so much freaking work, but it's gonna be worth it.
It's gonna be worth that. But it's a lot of time from here.
It's a lot of time and a lot of freaking money.
If I looked at this, I'd be like, oh, it's done. Like, come home.
But no, I have a couple more days of crying until this thing is running. So this car is just, I love it. This is freaking cool.
I can't wait for you to drive it like all the time now.
It's gonna make some cool noises. So we're gonna end it there. I'm super tired. I got a lot of B-roll to edit, and well, shout out to John at Little's Racing Innovation because he absolutely killed it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Stephanie,